Hi, I'm Ipsa, and today we are changing. We're coming to chemistry for a change. Let's change. We've been doing physics for a while. Let's have some change. Okay, so I'll be ultimately dealing with ninth, 10th chemistry. But I've seen a lot of children being very unclear about even the basic words which are used in chemistry, basic terms which are being used in chemistry, like what is an acid, what is a metal, what is a salt, what is what. So first we'll understand that, and then we'll come slowly. Ultimately, we'll do properties by the my primary motive is to do properties of acids. All right, but properties of acids I don't want to do till we know what is an acid, what is a base, what is a metal, what is a non-metal, what is an oxide, ye wo. So first we'll do that, and then we will do. So what words are the basic words of chemistry? Let's see. Uh, let's see. Metal. What is a metal? Now there will be 10,000 definitions of metal. Okay, we'll try and take the one which is more important for us. Okay, few definitions which are not really definitions to be written in the exam. All right, they're just for understanding. Okay, so the multiple definitions of metal can be which gives away electrons. This is the primary most important definition of. So if I take an example, suppose I have sodium, right? We know it has 2 electrons here. We know it has 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 electrons here, and we have 1 electron here. So how is it comfortable? It really wishes to give away this electron and just convert into a small thing, this and this, where 2 electrons, and so it wants to give away this electron and becomes a positive ion. All right, this is what typically a metal would be. This is sodium. Well, that is sodium positive by giving away electron. Okay, so it now I'm telling you again, these are generalized definitions. They will form positive ions. They may not be always true, but they are like 99%, or they are usually true. They may form so positive ions. For example, we have taken here, it formed a positive ion. Okay. Then a very, very bad method of knowing what a metal is. Suppose you have any formula. No, it's a very, very bad method, and it is only 50% true, but still, let's go ahead with it. Suppose we have any formula. We have basic H2O. I have basic H2O. The first section is usually the metal. Okay, it's not necessary, it is not compulsory at all, it is only 50% true, 60-80% true, but still it works for most of the things that we deal with in chemistry till chapter 4, till carbon compounds. This will mostly work for you. Like suppose I have NaCl. You know, NaCl is salt, sodium chloride. This will be a metal. Suppose you have copper sulfate. You know copper sulfate. The first thing which is present will be a metal. So usually, a big usually, the first member of a formula is metal. Okay, for example, let's take something else. What else do you know? Simple things that we know. Mm, No, NaCl क्या क्या लिए? Magnesium chloride. So this will be a metal. Okay, suppose we have zinc oxide. This will be a metal. Anything like this, any formula that we have, उसका जो first section होता है ना 99% वो 99 नहीं 60-70% वो metal होता है. So this is the primary definition. This is important, huh? This is almost true. So anything which gives away electrons is called a metal. Done? Okay. इससे ज़्यादा अब भी हमें समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yes, there are much more to metals, but right now, if you're starting in a nursery class, we can't read Shakespeare right away. We have to do with cat bat, right? So we are starting with chemistry, and we're doing the basic metal, what it is. So basic metal we got is which gives away electrons, which forms positive ions, and which usually is the first part of any formula. Now non-metal will be very simple. It will be just opposite. Okay, non-metal will be which will want to take electrons. Example, very simple. Suppose we have an oxygen. Oxygen, you know, is 2 here and 6 here. Now, to be stable, what does it want? It wants to take 2 electrons. And when it takes 2 electrons, what does it become? Right now, it's 2, 6. When it takes 2 electrons, it becomes very, very happy. It is now satisfied and easily go off to sleep without having to run away here and there. This becomes 2, 8. 3, 3, 6, 2, 8. Alright, so once it takes 2 electrons, it changes from O to O negative, then it is happy. It takes electrons and becomes happy. So that is what is the primary definition of an acid, non-metal, sorry. It takes electrons, and secondly, obviously it will form negative ions. It will form negative ions. Example, we said O2 negative or chlorine negative or anything of that kind. Okay, now similarly like that, exact opposite of metal, it will usually form the latter part, latter matlab baad wala, latter part of a formula. Again, this is not very exact, please don't mention it anywhere, otherwise the teacher will kill you. Latter part of a formula. This is just very approximate and just for very basic understanding. Suppose I have, let's take the same examples. Why look for different things? Now the latter part is what? So this is a non-metal. Alright. Now let me start creating confusion. What is the latter part? This is the latter part. But is it a non-metal? नहीं, इसमें तो कई चीजें हैं. इसमें sulfur भी है, oxygen है. But still, if we don't want to call it non-metal, obviously it is not a non-metal. एक non-metal थोड़ा ना, इसमें तो 2-3 चीजें हैं, combination है. But at least we can say it is a non-metallic ion बोल दो, non-metallic radic, कुछ भी बोल दो. It's something to do with non-metal because it is the second part. Okay, if I say calcium oxide, this is the second part and this is a non-metal. So easy identification, जो चीज बाद में आती है, that is a non-metal, but we are not doing carbon compounds and this is very, very, very approximate. Okay, the third point especially is very, very approximate. It is not a fact. This thing is very, very approximate. Okay. I hope it's very clear. It was simple. It was just the opposite of, uh, it was just the opposite of metals. Now, let's deal with, जैसे अचानक SO4 आ गया था. अब हम इसको कुछ बोल नहीं पाए, हम इसको नॉन मेटल नहीं बोल पाए, क्योंकि तो दो तीन चीजें थी उसको, हम उसको नॉन मेटल कैसे बोल सकते हैं? अ नॉन मेटल, वी कांट कॉल इट वन नॉन मेटल. व्हाट हैपेंड टू इट? हुआ क्या इसमें अचानक? सो एनीथिंग, if I have a group of atoms joined together, now I'm just talking about a metallic ion. Okay, I'm not talking about, the third term that we are doing is metallic ion. I'm not talking about metal. Okay, any group which overall has a positive charge on it. See, positive was important. Metal ka most important thing was positive. So any group with overall positive charge will be called a metallic ion. Now, there are very, very few examples of this, I know that. The only example probably which I'm allowed to give here is NH4. Now, you know that NH4 has a charge of positive. Now, is this positive charge on H? No. Is this positive charge on N? No. This positive charge is on the whole of NH4. Okay. Now, individually, is this a metal or a non-metal? Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a non-metal. What about hydrogen? हाइड्रोजन का तो किसी को ही नहीं पता, आज तक साइंटिस्ट को नहीं पता क्या है. सो हाइड्रोजन इज, वी डोंट नो, इट कैन बी बोथ और नीदर अ मेटल और नॉन मेटल. तो जो इसके अंदर का कंटेंट है, दिस इज वन बॉक्स दैट वी आर वांटिंग टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इट इज. दिस इज वन बॉक्स which has an overall charge of positive. अंदर का कंटेंट तो कुछ अजीब अजीब ही है, एक नॉन मेटल है, एक कुछ भी नहीं है, बट बिकॉज दिस ओवरऑल हैज अ चार्ज ऑफ पॉजिटिव, सो NH4 positive will be called a metallic ion. That is what is a metallic ion. Good? All right. Now, same thing is like non-metallic ion. It will just go opposite to it. Again, its content, it will be a group of things. Its content may be, जिसके अंदर भरा हुआ सामान है वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, मेटल भी हो सकता है, नॉन मेटल भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट द अल्टीमेट चार्ज, द ओवरऑल चार्ज ऑन इट हैज टू बी negative. So suppose I take the case of, so I'll say the definition or explanation, and this is not definitions, these are explanation for self understanding. The overall charge is negative. Example, if I say take SO4, we know it is 2 negative. SO4, 2 negative. Now can I call it a non-metal? No, एक नॉन मेटल थोड़ा ना. सल्फर इज अ नॉन मेटल गुड, ऑक्सीजन इज अ नॉन मेटल गुड, बट ये एक चीज नहीं है. बट बिकॉज द होल थिंग had two negative charges or any number of negative charges, so this SO4 2 negative will be called a non-metallic ion or a non-metallic entity. Okay, we'll take another example which will make you more happy. आप तो कह दो कि इसमें थे ही नॉन मेटल, तो नॉन मेटल तो बनना ही है. Okay, so let us take this. This is some it is some iron which we don't okay, we can call it, we can name it. I'll tell you the name it zincate. It's some iron with negative charge which is zincate. Now here what, zinc is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal, but overall इस चीज को क्या बोलेंगे, because we can see a negative charge here, so this overall thing will be ZnO2 as a whole ion will be a non-metallic ion. So it's what is important is the overall charge on that substance. Good. Non-metallic is clear. Okay. Then let's come to what is a salt. अब salt सिर्फ नमक खाने वाला नमक नहीं होता है, NaCl नहीं होता है salt. When we salt, we have bigger definition to salt in chemistry. Salt is, first thing, it's not only eating salt. It is not only NaCl. Be very clear. Salt is a huge collection of compounds. ये वो हजारों salts हैं दुनिया में. But what is it? It's a combination of a metallic ion. We've done metallic ion, this is positive charge, and a non-metallic ion. Or let's make it even more simple. It's a combination of a positive ion and a negative ion. अगर एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव चीजें आपस में ज्वाइन हो जाएं, कोई भी हो, उसको सॉल्ट बोल देते हैं. Salt is a combination. Let's check. Okay, I have exceptions are there. There are exceptions where we will not consider hydrogen. Will not consider oxygen. Let's stick to this. We'll not consider hydrogen and oxygen while taking them as salts. So कोई भी ले लो. पॉजिटिव में आपको क्या क्या पता है? पॉजिटिव में आपको Na पता है, आपको कैल्शियम पता है, आपको बहुत कुछ पता है. वैसे तो मुझे ही नहीं याद आ रहा. बोलो. कॉपर पता है, आपको मैग्नीशियम पता है. You know so many things which are positive, and you know so many things which are negative. You know chlorine negative. You know, okay, oxygen we decided not to take. You know sulfate which is negative. You know phosphate which is negative. You know what else do you know? You know sulfide which is too negative. Lots of things. Now you take any combination of them, any. आप इसके साथ इसको join कर लो, इसको join कर लो, इसको join कर लो, इसको join कर लो. All of them will be called salts. एक positive और कोई भी negative. So अगर हमें salts के example इसी में से, अभी तो हमने सिर्फ 4 वो और 4 positive और 4 लिए. So you'll get 16 salts. See, if I say it will be NaCl is a salt because it's here. Na2SO4 will be a salt. Na2O3. This will be a salt, and Na. Okay, no place, so I'm not writing. Similarly, I can combine, suppose Mg with any of these. They will all be salts. MgCl2 will be a salt. MgSO4 will be a salt. MgPO4 whole thrice will be a salt. So it's a combination of a positive and a negative ion. वो अब वो आयन इंडिविजुअल अकेला अकेला सिंगल सिंगल हो टाइप से क्लोरीन टाइप हो या फिर वो ग्रुप हो, चलेगा. लेट मी जस्ट ऑल्सो टेक अमोनिया हियर. This is also we called a positive. Now, ammonia combined with anything will also be a salt. Okay, ammonia combined with anything will also be a salt. So, I hope you understood what a metal is, what a non-metal is, metallic ion, non-metallic ion, and a salt. At least these 3-4 basic वर्ड्स यू आर क्लियर विद एंड हाउ टू सी. अगर आपको दे दिया जाए, आपको Fe NO3 होल ट्वाइस दे दिया जाओ, नाउ इज इट अ मेटल, मेटलिक आयन, व्हाट इट इज. नाउ एक तो ये अकेली चीज़ नहीं है, तो मेटल तो हो ही नहीं सकता, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. अकेली चीज़ नहीं है मतलब ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी, आयरन भी है, नाइट्रोजन भी है, ऑक्सीजन, तो नॉन मेटल भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि अकेला नहीं है. Okay, that means it can be, it has a first part, it has a second part. We know that the first part is positive and the second part is negative. तो ये कब होता है? ये मेटालिक आयन हुआ? No. नॉन मेटालिक आयन हुआ? No. It is a salt. Okay, this is a metallic ion. This is not a metal. This is a metallic ion. This is a non-metallic ion. But together they made up a salt. तो अगर हमें उल्टा भी बताना है तो भी हम कह सकते हैं कि वो सॉल्ट है, बता सकते हैं कि वो सॉल्ट है, कि आयरन मेटल है, कि नॉन मेटल है, कि क्या है. होप गुड.